What's up YouTube? In this video I'm finally going to start my R53 Mini Cooper S after replacing my rod bearings and my rod bolts. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and stick around. You're going to want to watch this whole video. Alright, so it runs, it doesn't knock, it sounds pretty good. I have a few more issues that I need to fix before I can drive it, so watch for those videos. And like I said before, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down. I'll catch you in the next video.